up, bro?
Hodge.
What's up, bro?
I didn't finish showing you the setup.
Huh?
I didn't finish showing you the setup.
You want to what? You want to show me this?
There's
You want to
something
tape my
more.
reaction?
There's something more, yeah.
Huh? Oh, is that what this is about?
Yeah, boy. Come see the setup, boy.
My reaction.
Your reaction.
No fucking way. I don't believe in sitting, right? So I don't think that's going to be very beneficial to me. Yeah.
But, you know, when you're
Plus
doing a
no
video, you're chilling.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Sit back.
But this right here.
This is me cloud, dude.
This station is like. I'm proud to have this station.
Easy. All the John
Proud to be honestly like now I want to use it, bro. Huh?
Just like buttons.
Right.
On the left side.
Now I want to use it, bro.
But look, you know, the streets out there. You know, the streets out there, nice fresh air.
Yeah, right.
What's the
Soft,
difference?
dude, soft, dude. What was the same, dude? Right here, 90cc. Right here, 50cc, 55cc. Right here, 35cc.
Underneath. Logs.
Huh?
Logs underneath.
Logs.
And what is that, a pole motor?
42cc.
40cc what?
Homely.
Homely?
Homely.
Shit, we should put it together one day.
Yeah, so we got like some nice saws over here, you know.
Brava.
It's a big,
Brava.
it's a big fucking saw.
Big saw.
Is that your daddy's saw? Is that your daddy's saw?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
What does it do?
And
And
who is your daddy and what does he do?
Bro.
Easy,
Yeah,
bro.
daddy's saw. That shit was hilarious, eh?
This next level, bro.
This year for Holy and Ice Toit. But even Bucking doesn't hold him tight, right? He doesn't care. So that's why ours, bro.
It's always good to be able to go, right? Because when you can, you know, when you gotta do on the side or something.
But no, I was like doing something and like my hand elbow brushed up against like one of these bad boys, started bleeding instantly, guy. I was
like these dogs, my guy.
no, not the dogs, the
really?
teeth.
Oh shit, yeah.
The front of the teeth, bro.
Gotcha.
Clean cut.
Because you think like you use them all the time, right? You think they're snakes or this or that, you know what I mean? But like
The
in reality,
fuck
like,
that.
there's a lot of spiky.
Clean. What goes here?
Look at this.
It's like Asian and black.
What was where?
What goes here?
Oh, small eco.
Small eagle.
Yeah.
30 cc's.
Biggie.
Biggie.
3cc post. That post or everything? Anything and everything.
As long as it's sharp.
As long as it's sharp to fill the screen. Eco, that Eco, if it doesn't believe in CC and horsepower, it only believes in sharpness.
And
Sharpness, that's it.
And gasolina.
Yes.